Have you ever tried making a training video with animation? And believe me, when you hear that, you're thinking, I need experience, you don't. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make a training video with animation with a couple of tips, just to show you how easy it is to do it on Vyond. So training videos are great, to be able to teach someone something new they currently don't know. It could be something simple like making a cup of tea, it could be top tips, it could be a life hack. Training videos are great, especially when it comes to social media. I'm going to be showing you some quick, effective tips about how you can make an animated, cartoon-like video using Vyond and no design experience needed. Does that sound good? Let's get straight into it. So open up Vyond. If you've not got Vyond already, you can access a 14-day free trial. I'll pop the link below for you to access. So open up a brand new template like I've done here. You can obviously change the background. I'm going to add a title page to this video. It's going to be portrait mode because it's going to be used for social media. So have you ever tried to attempt to make your own training video and you're not really sure where to start? So I'm going to be showing you 3 top tips using this really cute animated dog on Vyond. So once you're happy with your title page, play around with the colors, you can now start adding a really cool background. So I'm going to use a lovely garden, which is a great context for my running dog. So let's just play around with it. The tree can go there, or maybe I'll just delete it. I'm gonna now find my lovely dog. This one looks pretty cute. I'll use that one. So first, switch your background to keep learners engaged. That could be something simple like a living room, a garden, a house, a gym, an airport, you name it. All of these templates are already available to us on Vyond. Now we've got the running dog, we want to add movement. If you start to add more movement and make it natural, like something like a dog running or someone walking or a character, this is how you bring your messages to life without overwhelming the audience, and obviously just to make it generally look more natural. Even just a simple walking or running keeps the learners engaged. So now we want to add our own text. Obviously lots of Vyond templates I can use, rewording it to how I want, playing around. Tip number 1, visuals matter, dual slides, less attention. So this is just key points I've mentioned about visuals, less dual slides and more attention. Next step is about making it mobile friendly. So I've searched here as seeing mobile friendly. Because this is portrait mode, it's perfect for mobile friendly. Anyone that's on social media scrolling up and down their feed, they'll be able to see this, in the right size and format they need. Now let's have a look at tip number 3. We're going to use a lovely office for this part. Really important is to just add a couple of key text elements, because some people may have their videos muted, especially on social media. So having just a couple of key pieces of text and messages clear on the screen, I think really does help as well. So just to show you, instead of making the character yawning, sat in an office, tired, we want to keep them engaged and hooked and not yawning like this character that I've just made tired. So let's do a final video page. So we've got this cute dog. What do we want the dog to do? Maybe it can be eating. Yeah, that sounds good. It's a cute little fun video that you can watch. Let's have a look at the final video. Quick animation tips. Visuals matter, no dual slides, something engaging, dog running across, mobile friendly so learners can use it on the go, using text and adding a voice so people are not sat there yawning in an office absolutely fed up. What do you guys think of the video? If you want to understand more about how you can create complete training videos with animation on Vyond, I actually have a course you can access. I'll pop the link below if you want to learn more about that one. So what do you guys think? Really cute dog, huh? So that's just to show you the gist of kind of how simple it is to use Vyond. Make a cute animated video. But I think it's a really good way to create training videos, to make them fun, exciting. Honestly guys, Vyond is awesome, but if you've had no design experience, it's really good to give it a go and try it out and see what you think. There's lots of different templates you can use, and being able to design something different that maybe you haven't done before is really, really cool as well. If you like this video, do give me a like, subscribe for more updates. Lots of tips coming your way, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.